Hello, guys. So today we are going to be creating an AI workflow in Zapier. All right. So this workflow is basically planning the life of a dad who has all his daily activities in a Google Sheet. So basically, we schedule on Zapier. It pulls from a Google Sheet. It uses open AI models to actually understand the text and send messages to the dad's Gmail based on the scheduled triggers. All right. So this is basically the Google Sheet that we'll be working with. We'll be focused on the combined today input tab. So this basically has a row here which pulls today's column from this tab. So it's a very detailed worksheet. So for example, this is where it all starts. Let me bring it back here. This is the main tab that has everything that the father has to do um, for the week. All right. And then we have today's schedule row. So this basically has equals to today. So it pulls what the father has to do today. All right. And then it's reflected in the combined today out inputs, right? So this is the tab that Zapier will be looking at. All right, so let's get into it and you see how it works. The Excel sheet will also be provided in the description if you want to adopt it. Right, so you want to start by going to your Zapier account. If you don't have one, you can create for free and you get like 14 days free trial on the professional paid features. But even after the 14 days, you can still continue using the free plan. So the first thing you want to do is click on create and click Zap's automated workflows. So it brings you here where you can start building. There's this Copilot stuff where you can tell it what you want and then it helps you build it out. But we won't be using that today. We'll just do this on our own. So click on the trigger button and then you click on schedule because that's what we want to use. So we want to do schedule with Zapier and then trigger event will be, you can say every hour or every day. I'm just going to put every hour for now and then continue. And select value for time offset. I just leave this at 00. Trigger on weekends. I would say yes, because I want to be reminded even on weekends. So continue and then test trigger. Everything is fine. So the next thing you move to creating your next action, which is the Google Sheets that we'll be pulling from. So click on Google Sheets. All right, click on choose an event. And then what we're going to go for is get many spreadsheets. All right, so choose that. If you haven't set up your account yet, you just have to click um, connect. It's going to be available here. And then it's going to make you sign into your Gmail account. And all you have to do is sign in, give it the permissions that it needs, and then it brings you back here once the connection is successful. So click on continue. So what do we want from the drive? So we're going to select Google Drive. And what we want from the drive is the daily family notes, because that is the Google Sheet that actually contains the father's plans. Okay. And then, like I said, we're going to be working with the combined to today input tab. So I'm selecting that worksheet. And then for the columns, in that worksheet, there's basically column A to G. So that's just what I'm going to put. For the row count, it's just one. So I'm going to select one. And for the output format, I'm going to select formatted rows. All right. Like I said, the Google Sheets will be provided in the description. So you can use that to follow along. So when you're done with all that, click on continue and then test. All right. So it all looks good. Next thing we want to do is to then add the Azure OpenAI action. So we'll click on that. So this Azure OpenAI part, personally, I think is a bit tricky because for fathers or mothers or people who don't even have access to like Microsoft 400 or OpenAI or any other models, because it's not just OpenAI, um, how would they be able to create a deployment model and then get the deployment name, API key, and stuff like that? So it's it's quite tricky for everyday use. But anyways, for this, I'm choosing the Azure OpenAI, and for action events, I'm basically just going to say send chat message. All right. And you're going to have to, when you select connect here, it's going to ask you for either you want to connect directly to your Microsoft account or you want to put in your API key and the OpenAI resource name. Once you do that, you click on continue and then the deployment name. All right. For the OpenAI resource, I went in and I created a deployment model for GPT-4o mini. So I'll just select that. And then for this message, you're going to put a prompt in the chat. Okay. So come on the message box, paste the message. All right. And then for the input, just scroll up, click on this plus button, and then click on get mini spreadsheet, and then just choose column G, this one. Yeah. So let's scroll down. This is supposed to be there. That's not in the right position. So it's basically supposed to be here where you have inputs. So just select column G. Yep, that's the right place. So after that, leave every other thing as it is. And then select continue. So this is it. You can click test step. All right. So the test looks good. Everything looks good. So the next thing is at the final stage, which is the Gmail. So we're going to call the event create draft. Why I'm calling it create draft is because I want to be able to review the email first before it goes out. So for you, you can decide, you know, you don't want to put it in create draft. You want to put send email. You can also do that. But for me, I want to be able to review the email first before it sends. All right. So once that is done, click on continue. Then the to email, whoever you want it to be sent to, I'm just going to say, all right. If you have a CC, BCC, you can also put that. So I'll just say my subject is going to be daily dad plan. But then that's not all. I'm going to also click this plus button, click get many spreadsheet row, and then choose the formatted row column A. All right. Once that is done, body. So for this, just click on the plus button, click on get many. No, not that. Click on send chat message and then look for reply message content. Okay. Click on that. So that's what it's going to be. And then close this, review, and then click continue. All right, we're almost done. Click test step. Great. So now the test is done. you want to publish your workflow. Remember, for this workflow, you said you wanted to run every hour. You want it to pick from Google Sheet. You want Azure OpenAI to um, craft the message and send it to the dad every 1 hour. So now let's look at the email, how it's going to look like. Remember, I did a test, so that means one must have pushed to my email. So let me open my email and check what I have received. So as you can see here, the email has gone to my draft, and it basically contains the daily dad plan, and you can see it also has the date here. So top three work priorities, prepare presentation, everything basically broken down in 2 steps. So basically, this is one way to create a workflow using AI capabilities on Zapier. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, if you need help, just leave a message and I'll respond to you.